draw a cute koala. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this one. Welcome fellow artists to kimikoARTS. Today, we're going to learn how to draw a koala bear. I hope you enjoy. For this activity, you will need a pencil for all the basic shapes. I always have two ready in case one breaks. A black marker for outlining our final drawing, and an eraser to get rid of all the rough lines we made to give our artwork an extra professional look. I will be using an orange marker instead of a pencil because it's a bit easier to see.
Now to begin our koala bear, we want to start with the basic shapes. So we are going to begin with the head. And the head is kind of a big shape, like this. It's almost like a circle that kind of comes out a little bit at the sides. Now once we have that basic shape for the head, we're going to add the basic shape for the body, which is going to be kind of an oval or a circle. Once we have that shape, we are going to add the basic shape for the nose. So we're going to add kind of a long oval shape like this. Then we are going to add the eyes. The eyes are going to be two circles like this. Then the ears. Once we have those complete, we are going to add some lines for the mouth. Now we can add some feet or some arms. So the first arm is going to come down, and then the second arm, we're going to have this koala giggling. So he's going to have his arm up, almost in front of his nose. Then we're going to have 2 feet. Now I'm going to add 2 circles on the inside of the feet. I think some claws to his upper paw, and then I'm going to add a little bit more detail to the eyes. Now I'm going to do some outlining. So I'm going to switch over to my permanent marker, and this is where you are outlining the basic shapes that you want to keep. Anything that I had in the orange marker, you are going to be erasing because that is going to be your pencil.
After you have finished outlining the contour or edges of your drawing, be sure to erase all the pencil lines. This will make sure your koala will look more polished and exceptional. There you have it, a magnificent cute koala, perhaps yawning and ready to take a cozy nap in a eucalyptus tree. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Remember to be yourself, have fun, and to keep drawing. Until next time.